Hello guys, my name is MC Reddy and my MIT ID is MIT 192.101 and the subject name is Cyber Security and Analytics and the code is MN623 Assignment 1 Part 1B. So now I'm going to explain the Kali Linux. So it's Kali Linux. Say here I'm going to use my two security tools to know the security security tools which are I'm going to use to find the weaknesses and the vulnerabilities of the websites. So first of all, I'm going to give the sudo apt-get so that it will release all the libraries which are going to use in the Kali Linux. So then I am giving the nmap where I can find all the useful scan types and the option target specifications of the nmap. Yeah, later on, I'm going to give the nmap of the google.com website so that I can get the port, state and service parts of the google.com website, so that which port is open and which port is closed and which port is weakness, so that I can get an idea about that. And I will take I'm going to take the 80 and 443 TCP ports to use I'm going to use those ports to scan, so that this is my next command. So this is my next command, so that in map stp 8443 with the website I'm testing with the vulnerability web.com. So here ST is the TCP synchronization and P is the port scanner. So we have given these 80 and 443 ports to the nmap, so that with this help of TCP synchronization, so nmap has scanned the report for that for using this website, and has given that 80 port is open and the TCP is the filtered. So one IP address and one host is up. So next I'm going to give my TCP synchronization with the website. So then I'm going to have this 80 port is HTTP only. Later on, I'm going to give the nmap test this website, and there is no IP addresses found and no hosts are found here. Later on, I'm going to give the script which is vulnerability with the vulnerable script with the website testing, so that I can find and I can get this all these HTTP possible sequentials for the queries. Later on, it's one IP and one IP address and one IP down. This is nmap. Nmap we cannot it is not a better than a port scanner. It is better to sorry, simulation. It is a port scanner. So I'm going to use my zap now. So here I am going to give the test PHP, and now I'm going to attack it. So you can find the URLs and add nodes. Here you can find the add nodes, Ajax and the images. So you see, and while going to the active scan, here you can find the progress of the particular website and the response chat as well. So you can see the response chat here, whereas we will check for the other website now. So stop, and we will going to the google.com and attack, where you can find these, where is it, yeah, where you can find the sessions active cans and HTTP sessions alerts. You can find the alerts as it is low, and while going to the active scan, you can find the progress and the response. This is the progress for the um, Google, and this is the response chat. So I'm going to open my PPT file, uh, where my name is M. Shivnarayan Reddy, and this is the cybersecurity and analysis. This is my feedback. And later on, this is a build platform testing platform, that is a Kali Linux with a terminal. And later on, finding system weaknesses. So by using the nmap dash st dash p 8443 test php dot u vuln by using this command, I am going to find the system weakness. And later on, how to exploit them, how can we exploit them, so that for that nmap dash st with the website of testing vulnerabilities, so that I can exploit them by showing you the progress and the response sheet. Whereas you can see the how to hack them. So you can give some nmap dash o, so and the script. So you can script the possibility of the queries, possibility sequences for the queries you can get here. And I can now I am going to show you the response sheet as I already I showing the zap. So these evaluate two security tools. So I'm going to use Zap and Network Mapper, Nmap. So here I'm going to explain the Z attack proxy under the auspices of the Open Web Application Security Project. ZMap is a free open source, and both are free open sources. And in this app, you can attack, and you can pay. This is a penetration testing tool where you can attack, and you can get the results which a website is weak, and which is having the low security and low reliability, uh, low and high weaknesses. You can know that, and these focuses on OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities, provides different features, spidering, fuzzing, and Ajax are different. Allows payload injection, customized exploitations, specialized web application testing tool, and network mapper. While coming to the network mapper, more than a penetration testing instrument, mmap is a port scan. However, it is assessed to pin search by highlighting the right places to strike. Okay, this is help for the ethical hackers in identifying network flaws. It also it is a online, and it is open source as well. Both are open sources. SS network vulnerabilities, allow OAS detections, and verbose method is a cross platform software, provides command line and graphical interface. And while coming to the last, these are my references. So I'm going to use such smart cities, and you can see penetration testing tools, and attacking and differencing strategies, vulnerability assessment and penetration testing of websites. So these are the references. And thank you, guys.